Got a pair of Nike Roshes, all gray and white, brand new. Pretty much gonna do a custom to these, something new that I've never done before. So hopefully that turns out good. What it's gonna be. Hopefully it's the first of many to come. But this pair is gonna be a Houston Astros pair. So it shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be easy, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this happen. See how it turns out. So wish me luck. I'll be back with the finished product. Finished product. Houston Astros custom Nike Roush 1s. Of course, you know they World Series champs, so I had to make these. It's my first time attempting this. For the first time, I say they came out pretty good. I got a few flaws here and there, but I will only get better at it. Go ahead and show you the round side look at the shoe. I mean, on foot, you won't be able to tell the imperfections, but got a little fraying. Fabric not all the way down. But like I said, on foot, you won't be able to notice that. Like right now, you can't see it, and you only know because I'm telling you. But like I said, practice make perfect. This won't be my last pair. I'll keep going until I get it down. I got a little imperfection right here. I will keep going until I get it down packed. Got a few more that I need to make, so like I said, I won't stop. Get my measurements and my cuts down perfect. Also painted the check blue to match with the stars. This, I didn't measure my fabric right, so got a little wrinkle, but no biggie. It's gonna be on your foot, nobody's gonna notice. Another part I need to get fixed is that getting that little square part done, cut correctly. Show you the other inside of the shoe. Again, custom Nike Roushes, Houston Astros, World Series champs. My first trial run, so yeah, I got a little mistake right there. Then I cut it too short right here at the top. But again, you wear pants, nobody's gonna notice that, and nobody will notice period, because it's gonna be on foot. Nobody's gonna just point out, hey, what's that spot on your shoe? But all in all, they came out pretty good. I'm satisfied with them. Go ahead and get these shipped out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.